How to fix you got kicked from the season by BattlEye in GTA 5. For this first step, you need to restart device, close the GTA and Rockstar Game Launcher, now open up Task Manager, scroll down and check if it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Check it and end the task. After check in system tray. Once complete after you need to restart your device. After restart you can launch the game again. If the problem still remains, then we move on with the next method, reinstall BattlEye. For this you need to open up a Rockstar Game Launcher. Once opening up the click settings, uncheck the BattlEye, disable it. After disabling, you need to close the launcher and end the task completely. Scroll down and check for background running apps of a Rockstar Game Launcher. If it's running, it means you need to end the task completely. After completing, close it and search for command prompt. Right click run as administrative and type the following text. If delete service successful means again open Rockstar Game Launcher. If service does not exit means need to uninstall the applications again need to reinstall it freshly. Make sure it. After that open up Rockstar Game Launcher, go to settings and you can enable the BattlEye. Click it and enable it. After enabling close it and restart your device and you can check it. If still problem remains means you need to completely uninstall the applications again you need to reinstall.